Recently I acquired 6U Sterilite 3-drawer carts. To save space, I decided to stack them in pairs of 2, and to make them less likely to tip over, I made clips to hold them together. The stiles, or posts of the cart, have ridges on the inside that face the drawers, so the clips wrap around the ridges while avoiding any interference with the drawers. In order to let the drawers close all the way, the clips on the front stiles cannot fully wrap around the stiles, while the clips on the back stiles are able to hold the stiles from all 4 sides. I found that using a set of clips on every other drawer was enough to keep the combined cart together. That meant I needed 6 sets of clips for my cart that is 3 drawers wide and 6 drawers tall. To begin assembly, remove all of the drawers from the carts. If you need to stack your carts, remove the tops of the carts that will go on the bottom by disconnecting them from the stiles, one stile at a time. Because of how it is clipped together, I found that the easiest way to do this was by pulling the stile straight back with one hand while using the other hand to rotate the lid in the opposite direction. Next, place the carts that still have a lid on top of the ones that don't, making sure that the stiles snap together in each corner. This clip is the inside clip. The cutouts are the part that will wrap around the ridges and will open towards the ground. This second clip is the outside clip. It too has cutouts that will wrap around the ridges, opening towards the ground, but it also has a fourth edge that will allow the clip to hold the stile from all 4 sides. To install the inside clip, push forward until the back touches the stile, and then push down until the cutout is fully around the ridge. To install the outside clip, widen the opening by pulling the legs apart while pushing forward until the clip fully snaps around the stile, then push down until the cutout is fully around the ridge. Repeat this process for all of the clips. If you're going to add wheels, do this now by flipping the cart upside down. It is important to make sure that every corner gets a wheel, as the clips don't distribute any load horizontally. As you can see, there will be interference between the 2 front wheels in the center. This shouldn't be an issue because the cart will be on concrete floor, and so the wheel can easily drag if it cannot face the proper direction. Lastly, put all of the drawers back in place. Here you can see how the clip doesn't interfere as the drawer slides in and out. And here you can see how easily the cart can be moved around. Because all of the drawers weren't filled yet, I also tested how well it moves when 3 20-pound weights are placed on top of the cart. Overall, I'm happy with how well it performs. That said, I would not recommend going out and buying these carts just to combine them like I did, as they are very expensive. If I bought these brand new, the setup currently would have cost me $180. To be thorough, I also designed clips that would allow the carts to be combined back to back. If I had 2 more 3-cart drawers, I would actually take my cart apart to have a cart that was 3 drawers wide, 2 drawers deep, and 4 drawers high. For back-to-back carts, you still need the inside clips, but the outside clips are replaced by back-to-back inside and outside clips. This clip is the back-to-back inside clip. It is wide enough to grab 4 stiles at once, and has a cutout to wrap around the ridges of the stiles. This clip is the back-to-back outside clip. It needs to be rotated the right way such that the cutouts are on the inside of the cart so that they can grab the ridges of the stiles. Back-to-back clips can easily be spread open by squeezing the opposite end. It is important not to seat the clips around the ridges until every cart and clip is in place. While in the video I'm trying to combine all 4 carts at once, it actually would have been easier if I added the carts one at a time from the left side. Once all of the carts are together, seat each of the clips over the ridges.